Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python for Beginner series. In the last video, we set up our Python environment. Now it's time to write our first Python program. If you are excited, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Let's get started. So first of all, we understand the Python syntax. Python is a high-level readable language. Unlike other programming languages that use curly braces or semicolons, Python uses indentation to define blocks of code. Here is an example. So here we write a simple line of code. So we are writing print hello world. This syntax prints the string hello world. Here we can see that the Python is case sensitive. Means if we write print with a capital P, it will give an error. But if we write print with a small p, it will work. So here we can see that Python is a case sensitive language. Now let's move on to indentation. Unlike other languages, Python relies on indentation for defining blocks of code. So here is an example of correct indentation. So let's write a condition here. If 5 is greater than 2, then print 5 is greater than 2. Here we can see that the indentation is correctly defined. Means the print statement is in the block of if condition. So how the Python interpreter work here? It goes to the condition and check for if 5 is greater than 2. If the condition is true, then it will move into the block of that if condition. So as we can see, the condition is true. It jumps into the block of if condition and print 5 is greater than 2. Now let's see an incorrect version of the indentation. So let's write one more time. If 5 is greater than 2, then print, this will cause an error. Now we can see that there is no proper indentation. The print statement is not in the block of if statement, so it will cause an error. So here we can say that Python follows consistent indentation, and this indentation is usually of 4 spaces per level. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic, which is writing simple print statements. Here the print function is used to display output in Python. So here are some examples of print function. So let's write print hello Python, and in the next line we can write something like welcome to your first Python program. Now we can also print number and perform simple mathematic operation in the print function also. Like let's say print 10 plus 5, and it will give an output of 15. Let's do one more. Print 3 into 4. It will give the output 12 because 3 into 4 is 12. So let's save our file as firstprogram.py, and now let's run it. So we can run our Python program in many ways. Like you can usually use the terminal and write the Python and the file name, or if you are using an IDE like vscode or python, then we just have to click the run button. So congratulations, you just wrote your first Python program. Now you know how Python syntax work and how to print output. In the next video, we will cover variable and data types. And this is a crucial concept in Python. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy coding.